Twitter Analytics is a powerful tool that allows businesses and organizations to track and analyze data related to their Twitter account. By understanding how their account is performing, businesses can make informed decisions about their online presence and improve their overall performance on the platform. One of the key benefits of using Twitter Analytics is the ability to track engagement over time. This can help businesses identify patterns and trends that may indicate that their content is resonating well with their audience, or that it may be time to change their approach. For example, businesses can track the number of likes, retweets, replies, and reach over time, which can help them understand how their account is performing and what types of content are most popular with their audience. Additionally, businesses can use Twitter Analytics to track the performance of specific campaigns, such as a Twitter ad campaign. This can help them understand how well their advertising is working, which can inform decisions about where to allocate their advertising budget. Another important benefit of Twitter Analytics is the ability to track the demographics of the people engaging with your account. This includes information on age, gender, location, and interests. This data can help businesses understand their target audience and create content that will resonate with them. Additionally, it allows businesses to identify their most active followers so they can engage with them more effectively. Twitter Analytics also allows businesses to track user behavior on their account. This includes data on how people are interacting with the account, such as which tweets are getting the most engagement and how many clicks and conversions each tweet is generating. This data can be used to identify areas of the account that are working well and areas that could be improved. For example, if businesses see that many visitors are clicking on a specific tweet, they may decide to optimize their strategy around that tweet. Another key aspect of Twitter Analytics is the measurement of conversation volume. This allows businesses to understand how many people are talking about their brand, product or service, and how those conversations relate to their competitors. This data can be used to identify areas where they can improve their branding, messaging or campaigns. Twitter Analytics also provide data on the reach of the tweets. How many people were able to see the tweet and how many times the tweet was viewed. This can be used to identify which types of tweets are able to reach more people or which tweets are resonating well with audience. Furthermore, businesses can use Twitter Analytics to track the performance of individual tweets. This includes data on engagement, reach, and engagement rate, which can help businesses understand how well different types of content are performing and which types of content are resonating the most with their audience. Additionally, businesses can track the performance of specific hashtags, which can help them understand how their content is being shared and discussed on the platform. Another benefit of Twitter Analytics is that it allows businesses to track the growth of their account over time, which can help them measure the success of their efforts to increase engagement and reach. Finally, Twitter Analytics also offers data on their audience, giving businesses a better understanding of who is following and engaging with them, and how they can target their audience more effectively. In conclusion, Twitter Analytics is a powerful tool that can provide businesses with valuable insights into their performance on the platform. By understanding how their account is performing, businesses can make informed decisions about their online presence, improve their overall performance, and create content that resonates with their target audience. Additionally, Twitter Analytics can be used to track and analyze specific campaigns, understand demographics of their followers, track user behavior, track individual tweet performance, measure conversation volume, and compare against their competitors. All of this can be done in an easy and accessible way, making it the perfect tool for businesses looking to improve their